I got $1. Has George Washington on it. What the lights off. Come on. No. George Washington is my friend. Don't lick dollars. Don't lick dollars. They're too germy. Don't lick dollars. Don't lick money. Don't ever put it in your mouth. It's bad. It's too germy. Oh, I dropped my $1. Let me pick it up. I got more money. I don't lick money, I already told you. Oh, it's Jefferson. It's a Jefferson coin. Yes! I have no clue who the heck this guy is. What the heck? Is this Abraham Lincoln? I don't like him. Also another Abe Lincoln. I still like George the best. These are my two favorites. Right here. George fucking Washington. Holy crap, I got George Washington.